Did y'all know Chick-fil-A got motherfuckers in these shits? At first, I was like, what the fuck is that? And then I had to realize it's raining. Then I pulled up. These motherfuckers got some cones on or something, bro. What the fuck? Bro, don't hit my car. For real, watch out! Watch out! What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy BKVG. I know it's been a minute, it's been a while. I just been gone. I don't know. I've been trying to like get back on track. Just haven't been in the mood to record. But now I'm back and we're here to stay. We're gonna be turning up. We're going to Mount Baldy today. We finna just go chill out. We just came up with this idea to go to Mount Baldy. So we just finna go chill out. Mount Baldy, me and my brothers, my dad, my pops. Chill, barbecue. Yeah, finna barbecue in the fucking snow. I know. But we finna go barbecue and just chill. Enjoy each other's company. Turn up for New Year's. We didn't turn up last night. Everybody went to sleep all early and shit. And today's New Year's, so we're gonna turn up today. We gotta make up for yesterday. So y'all stay tuned, cause it's gonna be funny as fuck. And don't skip anything at all. None whatsoever. Free micheladas. Nigga. This is the New Year's Day celebration. Keep playing. Keep playing. You think it's funny too? Y'all really just letting this retarded dude throw rocks at us like this? Y'all don't grab a big ass rock and chuck it? Fuck this. Oh, let's go over barbecue. You think this is funny, huh? I got something for you. Come on. Hey. Yeah. It's all good. Bro, don't hit my car. For real, watch out. Watch out! Stop doing it by my car! Pookie, I'm gonna beat your ass. Move from my car. Move! Donnie, stop throwing rocks.
He got it for a target. He got a shield down, so he can't throw nothing.
All right, we're done. Pookie, stop playing. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. All right, I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done.
Hey, Tank.
Pookie, I'm done.
Pook bombing you, Tank. He hit you all in the...
That's fucked up. You think this shit's funny? Dad, stop playing. Pookie, stop playing.
We got to get him, man.
Think this shit funny, Pookie? Bitch. Come on. Keep playing. Come on. You think it's funny? Yes, it is. Go. Go left. All right, you good? We gonna put you out like a dog in front. Have you sniff it out.
get a better start.
Watch this crazy shit. Hey. Why are you throwing rocks? And there's people. There's people over there.
We're not right there. They're over there and there. Hello.
How do you know who's right there?
Yeah, they're right there and right there.
So you want to say what's up to the camera and show them what you're doing?
No.
Throwing rocks?
Yeah, all right.
So what are you trying to hit?
This rock right here.
You have no accuracy, man. Hundreds on hundreds on hundreds. This is the life of Darien, man. I don't know.
Yeah, right.
Put on it. Young chef, got cooking up.
We need to show
Masada.
We need to put that picture
What
when
you
we
got
had the
cooking
shrimp
up?
and all that stuff, you know.
What you got? Where's the chicken at? We got the chicken. Buffalo chicken. Huh?
Get the pollo off the ground.
Yeah,
You put it on the ground. It's all good. We ain't eating floor food. It's just there. Still frozen. About to be smacked though. Smackers.
and I'm the only person that ain't been sick. Motherfucker.
I haven't been sick either.
You're right. This motherfucker's, but Lord bless. Lord bless. I'm talking to you, Lord. You know, I'm a motherfucking Trojan in that shit. Just whatever it is, don't knock me down, cause it's killing everybody.
It is killing
I'm
everybody.
just telling you, you can say what you want to say, Diamond. Motherfucker, you been hanging around me for every day or something, and you done got tested, your wife done got tested, and had they came back and said they got COVID?
Of course not.
Okay then, well, and you been eating, pissing, I've been pissing around and shit and everything. The fuck you gonna say some shit like that about me or something? Motherfucker, I walk with the Lord. Told the motherfucker, he done been tested 10 times or something. I ain't been tested once or something, and he been around me for a year or something. And when he got tested, and if he said, he got COVID, motherfucking no. So fuck what I'm gonna get tested for and get this COVID shot for. Use some goddamn food. Well, shit, fuck, okay. I know when I gotta go get tested because I start feeling the shit that whoever else is feeling it.